Welcome into lesson 23, major scales using flats. In our previous lesson, we did the same thing, but using sharps. Now we're doing the same thing using flats. So if we remember our circle of fifths, we started on C and we went up to the fifth scale degree to G. Oop. And then we went up to the fifth scale degree of G, which was D, so forth and so on. So order of sharps, the circle of fifths. Let's go the other way, the order of flats, the circle of fourths. So fourth scale degree up from C, C, D, E, F. F major has one flat. Let's take a look at that. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, whole steps, half steps. Let's go through it. F to G, whole step. G to A, whole step. A to B, well, that's a whole step. So let's shorten that distance. Half step. B flat to C, whole step. C to D, whole step. D to E, whole step. E to F, half step. So with our key signature, B flat, one flat. And remember our order of flats, B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Okay, here we go up to our fourth scale degree on F, which has one flat. So let's go down. Starting on B flat, C, D. Now let's look here. So I'm going to put an E, but we're going to take a look at this. B flat to C is a whole step. C to D is a whole step. D to E is also a whole step, but whole, half. So we need to make this a half step, so lower that. E flat. So our key of B flat has two flats. Let's go up to the fourth scale degree of B flat, which is E flat. We'll leave the A. Let's check our whole steps and half steps. E flat to F, whole step. F to G, whole step. G to A is a whole step. So we need to shorten that to A flat. So we're now in the key of E flat, three flats, B, E, A flat. All right, so let's build our circle of fourths. Starting on C. C has 0 sharps, 0 flats. And we're going to go to our left. F has one flat. B flat has 2. E flat has 3. A flat has 4. D flat has 5. G flat has 6. And C flat has 7. So the key signature and the number of flats that are in there. Okay, if we are looking at a key signature, so if we're looking at a key signature, B flat, E flat, A flat, I have 3 flats. And if we remember our trick with sharps, we go to the last sharp and go up a half step. That works for sharps, but it doesn't work for flats. But the good news is we have another trick. So if we go to the second to last flat, the penultimate flat, E flat, this tells us what key we're in. E flat major has 3 flats. Let's look at another one. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. Go to the second to last flat, that's D flat, and there are 5 flats. What are they? B, E, A, D, G. And remember, when we're looking at our order of flats, those are all flats. Okay, so order of flats, remember, keep going through the whole, half, whole, half, but also looking at our trick, the second to last flat will give us the tonic, the root name for our key signature.